It's challenge week. So if you missed the first challenge, go check that video out, but here is a quick reminder of the rules. I'm going to pick a random object or technique from a hat, and then I've got 1 hour to go and get as many interesting photos as I can. So now let's pick a subject. Pencils. Cool, so let's start a timer, and off we go. Right, so to begin with, I went and I found as many colouring pencils as I possibly can. Then I went and grabbed all of my lenses and the adapter ring to do some macro photography, because I thought that might be cool. Then the white paper, I thought some sort of solid background to the pencils might work, but we'll see. To begin with though, I think the first thing I'm going to actually try is some sort of order or pattern with the pencils. Well, let's see how it goes, eh? So it's been just over half an hour. I think I'm going to stop with the first idea, move on to the second one, which is going to be macro photography. I've put the reverse ring on my lens, and I think I'm going to concentrate on the tips of the pencil and maybe some pencil sharpenings as well. So that's the second idea done with. I've only got about 10 minutes left, so all I'm going to do now is just try some stacking and some standing of the pencils and see what I get. So there you go, I've run out of time, so I will stop there. And now I'll go and put this in the edit suite so I can show you what I've captured. So after a bit of time on the edit suite, I have put all the photos together. So let's just have a quick look. My first idea was just to try and line up the pencils and do something interesting with it. The first pencil was closest to the camera and then gradually going off into the distance left and right, giving you quite a good depth of field. Next thing I tried was putting the pencils in a round formation, creating a circle with the tips, and it came out okay. I think I could have done a little better with that one, but the last photo in this first idea was quite a good idea. I went round, tried to find anything that could give me like a template to push all the pencils up, and I found this heart ornament. So that's how I created this final look, and I think that came out really well. So then I moved on to my second idea, which was the macro photography. Now these always look quite epic and cool. And then the first one, I tried to get 3 contrasting colours with fragments of their shavings going all over it. And then I repeated this with the second photo, but I lined them up in a nice order and tried to just have a few flakes coming off the end. And for the third photo, I tried to get super close to the tip of the blue pencil with a lot of the shavings in the background. And I think that looks really nice. Then after this, I didn't have much time left, so I moved on to trying to stand and stack the pencils. Now, these ones I didn't think were great photos, so I tried to do something more interesting with the edit. And for the first one, all I did was get rid of all the colour but red. But for the very final photo, I made it black and white, but I kept in all of the tip colours to give it a very different but cool looking picture. So that's challenge number 2 done. I hope you enjoyed the video this week. Write in the comments which photo you think came out the best, and then I'll see you next time. If you have a photography question you would like answered in a future video, go leave me a suggestion in the comments, and once you've done that, hit the like and subscribe button, and then I will see you very soon.